So far, I promise you guys to show you all room tour. Yeah, I'm going to start from the kitchen. Sorry, from the bathroom. This is me. Hi. So I have arranged all my stuff. So this is how the bathroom is looking, and that is my towel. I've already used this, that's why it's here. So the foot match. So there's nothing really much for you guys to see. So let me show you guys who is messaging me. So this is another mirror. These are my makeup stuff. These are the what is it called? Let me show you guys my wardrobe. So this is another pillow. Then you want your laundry bags here, and this is my hair straightener, my wigs, my bags. This is the safe. I forgot to lock it. Open. Oh, imagine I forgot to lock it, so I can't show you guys my pin. I have locked it, my safe and my bag. These are my two bags, my shoes, iron. I don't know who's sending me messages, where I really need to go check it. So this is my mirror. Like, I so much love this mirror. So this is my bed, the couch, the table, the TV. That is how it's looking. And these frames, I love that one at the middle. But I just love the three frames, guys. I just love them. Let me show you. These are looking. Let's zoom. Wow, just love them. Okay, what did I do? Okay. So let me show you guys my view. They say using a balcony is at your own risk. So why did you guys put it here? Imagine. So this is the balcony. Is the balcony, and this is my view. That is the marina. That is the boats. Now I'm going to enter one of those boats. I'm just getting myself first, because I have a lot of days, like many days to spend there. These are taxi. I have many days to spend here, so I have a lot of time. So I just need to rush first. I think that is the beach, if I'm not mistaken. It should be the beach. Yeah, that is the beach over there. The beach is over there, while this is the marina. No, it's not. I don't think so. It's still marina because it's big. It's still marina. I don't think the beach is over there. What is the beach? Yeah, because Gulf Sea River is the beach. The beach is very close to us, and the marina is so close to us too. That is one thing I love about this apartment. Sorry, this hotel. And this is how it's looking. Looking. So like outside is so hot, so hot right now. So we can just sit here and have a chill. Let's go inside. Outside is so hot. So guys, that will be the end of the room tour. Nothing much to see. I know. So, but I decided to show you all. So guys, that is all. And I think I will be ending the video here. Yeah, the vlog here. I wanted to show you guys the night view, but it's still early. I can't show you guys. And the next video you'll be seeing, how will I do this now? Because I have a lot of videos that I've not edited, like a lot of videos. God help me. So please, any video you just say, I know I will be posting this first before the next video, before any other video. So maybe I will have to write it at the end of this video, the video you guys will be seeing next, or you are going to see the link either this place or this place. Yeah, either this place or this place, or at the end of this video. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you guys, thank you. I'm still feeling sleeping, but you gotta wake up, baby girl. You didn't come to Dubai to come and sleep. Wake up, don't sleep. And again, my flight was so smooth. Yeah, let me talk about my flight. The Ethiopia Airlines, although they delayed, let me see it properly. Although they delayed my flight, they delayed it, but sorry. Although they delayed my flight, but it still arrived the same time they said it will arrive in Dubai. So Ethiopia, like, you guys are the best airline. And the flight was so smooth, and I requested for a lot of wine, guys, a lot of wine. I was just drinking. Even before we got to Ethiopia, I was already high. So we have to come down from that plane and enter another plane. So, and they shared another drink for us too. And now one thing about me is that whenever I'm flying, like, I love talking to people. Even if I don't know you, I just want us to have a discussion about the journey, where you're going, what are you doing. Like, it's just fun to talk to someone inside the plane, not keeping mute. Even if you don't know the person, at least start a conversation. And the two men that were sitting close to me, gosh, we were laughing all through till we get to Addis Ababa. And that is when one was going to Malaysia, Melbourne, and Thailand, while the other man was going to Israel for tourists. So while me, I was going to Dubai. So we say goodbye to each other at Addis Ababa. So when I entered the plane that was coming to Dubai, there were these two ladies. I was sitting by the window side, but I didn't want I didn't want whereby I would be asking people to allow me pass to go ease myself. I just asked the two ladies, do you want the window seat? You can have it. I want to sit by the side. They said okay. I think they were happy, and they sat down. Like, coming to Dubai, I was so high, and I didn't know when the plane ascend. And it was even half of the journey, or when they were about to share another food. That is when I woke up, because, guy, I don't want to miss that food. The money when I pay for that flight is too much. So I didn't want to. Look at this boat cruise, guys. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I don't want to waste that money. My phone is ringing. I don't want to waste that money. That money today expensive. Oh. Ha. So I woke up. I didn't really eat though. I just collected the biscuits. I gave the rice to one of the lady, because I don't like the rice. So I collected my wine. And again, what again? I could not ask them to collect wine for me because they were Muslim, because I know Muslims don't drink wine. So I don't want to ask her. So guys, that is just it. The flight was smooth and the service was so nice. And it is what it is. We are here, and again, like I said, you guys might be wondering, where is your boyfriend that you went to Dubai to go meet? Guys, I will be talking about that on my next video. You guys have to hear the whole story. Like, I'm so I'm surprised, and guys, it is what it is, guys. I always say it is what it is. We are what we are. We do what we do. So I think I will end the video here. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always liking, always commenting, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the post notification to keep you updated, and help me share to your loved ones. Leave a comment below. I'm definitely going to reply your comment. I'm always at the comment section anytime I upload my video, even if it's my last 2 months video. I always reply comment section. Okay guys, I have to go. Thank you, bye. See you on my next video in good health. Yeah, bye.